Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to use Google Pay at a physical store step by step. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android device. This is where all system options are located. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down until you find Connections or Connected Devices. The exact name may vary depending on your phone brand. Tap on that option to open it. Inside, look for NFC or NFC and contactless payments. When you find it, tap to enter. Now you will see the NFC settings screen. At the top, there will be a toggle switch for NFC. Turn this switch on. This step is very important because NFC is the feature that allows your phone to communicate with payment terminals. Once NFC is enabled, your phone can now support Tap to Pay, but you still need to set up your payment app. Below the NFC option, you will see Contactless Payments. Tap on it. This section allows you to choose which app your phone will use when making payments. Inside this menu, you will see a list of available payment apps installed on your phone. Common options include Google Wallet or Samsung Pay. Select the one you want to use as your default payment app. If you have not set up your payment app yet, you will need to do that next. Tap on your chosen app to open it. Inside the app, look for an option like Add Card or Set Up Payment. Tap on it and follow the instructions on screen. You can either scan your debit or credit card using your phone's camera or enter the card details manually. This includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your card details, your bank may ask you to verify your identity. This usually happens through a text message, email, or your banking app. Enter the verification code when prompted. Once your card is verified, it will be added to your wallet app and ready for use. At this point, NFC and contactless payments are fully enabled on your phone. Now your phone is fully set up for contactless payments. When you are at a physical store, first check that the payment terminal supports contactless payments by looking for the contactless payment symbol on the machine. When it is time to pay, unlock your phone using your fingerprint, face unlock, or passcode. Then hold the back of your phone close to the payment terminal for a second or two. You do not need to tap hard. Just keep the phone near the terminal until you feel a vibration, hear a sound, or see an on-screen confirmation that the payment was successful. That's it. That is how you can use Google Pay at a physical store. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.